Have you ever wondered how we recognize our mother's voice on the phone, read scribbles on a screen as words, remember where we parked the car, or recognize a human's face in a cubist painting? How do we make decisions under uncertainty, prepare family routines, regulate behavior when emotions run high, and go through hell and survive? How humans adapt to a dynamically changing world. These are just some of the questions that inspire our research.
CICPSI is the research center that brings together all the researchers from Faculdade de Psicologia, Universidade de Lisboa. This research team works both in fundamental and applied research, and we aim to use psychological science to contribute to solving the most pressing problems of society.
The amazing thing about working at CICPSI is the opportunity to study a wide variety of psychological processes, combining different methodologies and techniques, and to address important questions that matter to different disciplines and to our understanding of what it means to be human. Another exciting aspect of our work is the strong links between research and teaching. We incorporate what we study in the academic curriculum, so students are taught what we learn in our research.
CICPSI is organized in 2 research groups, each one with several thematic lines. Cognition in Context is occupied with fundamental research in cognitive and neural mechanisms of adaptation and in domains like language, memory, and social cognition.
We combine state-of-the-art behavioral methods with eye tracking and neuroimaging. We also rely on deep learning and machine learning as a way to deal with large databases and explore the dynamics of cognition.
We rely on behavioral methodologies which allow us to examine reaction times and accuracy. We can study how accurate we are in discriminating different emotions such as anger, happiness, or fear.
Is the unveiling of the complexities of human cognition. That implies not only specifying and describing the underlying cognitive processes, but also foster these processes. So, for instance, we aim at improving consumers' decision-making, but also their emotional well-being and life satisfaction, and eventually to reduce economic disparities.
We apply these techniques and tools to a wide variety of populations, including developmental disorders such as dyslexia or psychiatric disorders such as schizophrenia. One of the research lines that we are now pursuing is, for example, whether alterations in voice perception can predict the occurrence of psychotic-like symptoms such as auditory hallucinations.
The ProAdapt group uses applied research in the domains of organizational, educational, clinical, and health psychology.
We have 2 kinds of research. One of them is about leadership, consequences, performance, and well-being of professionals in STEM context like firefighters, policies, and militaries.
Another significant line of research is the study of adaptation, health, and well-being in the context of schools. We have developed a large program on cyberbullying to target well-being of students, but also of teachers.
You have also some studies about work and personal life relationship with professionals with important challenge in our context. Temporary workers, teleworkers, or digital nomads, because it's important to analyze the fluctuations related with the management of boundaries between work and personal life.
Our interventions cover a large range, from preventive interventions directed to young children, families and adults, to therapeutic interventions directed to more vulnerable populations, like, for instance, people with psychopathology or chronic illnesses.
Science is all about collaboration, which means looking at the same problem from different angles and combining, therefore, insights and techniques from different disciplines such as medicine, economy, computer science, or even philosophy. The resulting synergies will allow us to find new solutions for our problems, as well as new questions for a given topic.
Very important for us is the applications of our research, not only for science, but also for decisions that can use our results to implement some politics.
We believe we were able to create a research center that provides a rich and stimulating environment for continuing our goal of training students in all levels of their academic and professional career.
And all this will be a way to contribute to different societal challenges that we face today in Portugal, Europe and the world.